that's a waste. Next.
Indeed. Takes time to get used to.
Absolutely. Okay.
Battle sequence initiated.
What did I just
Locking
initiate?
door.
Yo! What is that? Whoa! What did I just do? What did I just do? Billy! Press the button! Billy! The fuck?
Ow!
Come on, bitch! Come on, bitch! Lay down! Oh, fuck! Ha! No! Get that! Ooh, 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 ooh. The fuck, I got the wall! Damn it! Turn around, turn around. Ready to shoot? Come on! You coward! Jump! Where'd he go? Yeah, you still there? Come on, you wanna go again? Have another one! Alright? Come on! It's it! I did it! It's done! That was
Unlocking
way
door.
easier than it was the first time. You know, we're both pretty beat up. We've been through a lot, you know? You're kind of dead and rotten. I'm dead on the inside. You think you just let me walk past? No? Well, fuck you too! And your friend. Tried to ask you nicely. I feel better. It's a lot of bullets. But I need more. Dude! Hey there, thanks for watching my video. This channel is kept running thanks to these awesome supporters on Patreon, where you can pie me in the face. I wish I was kidding. Anyways, if you like this video, then maybe consider a subscription, or maybe leaving some feedback in the comments. I always read them.